Imagine a world where genetic diseases are eradicated, where parents can design their child's traits, and where aging itself is slowed down. Sounds like science fiction? Well, thanks to biotechnology, this future is closer than you think. But with great power comes great responsibility. Today, we explore the ethics of biotechnology, CRISPR, cloning, and genetic engineering. Are we playing God, or are we unlocking the next phase of human evolution? At the heart of modern genetic engineering is CRISPR, an astonishing technology that allows scientists to edit DNA with unprecedented precision. CRISPR has already been used to correct genetic defects in embryos, eliminate diseases in animals, and even create crops resistant to climate change. CRISPR is like a genetic scalpel, allowing us to rewrite life itself. Its potential is limitless, but so are the ethical dilemmas it raises. What if we accidentally introduce harmful mutations? What if this technology falls into the wrong hands? Should we use CRISPR to enhance human intelligence? To choose eye color? Where do we draw the line between treatment and enhancement? And what about the unknown risks? Could editing one gene have unintended consequences for future generations? In 2018, a Chinese scientist shocked the world by editing the genes of twin girls to make them resistant to HIV. He was later sentenced to prison, but the event marked a turning point in the ethical debate. The world realized, we are no longer in the realm of theoretical discussions. Genetic modification of humans is already happening. In 1996, the world met Dolly, the first cloned mammal. Cloning has since expanded into medicine, with researchers growing cloned organs for transplants. But cloning humans? That remains one of the most controversial ideas in science. If we clone a person, do they have the same rights? Would cloning create a class of second-class citizens? And what about identity? If you were cloned, would your clone truly be you? What about memory and consciousness? Would a clone inherit more than just DNA? Scientists are also using cloning to bring back extinct species. The Woolly Mammoth Project aims to revive a prehistoric giant using DNA extracted from frozen specimens. But is this a step toward scientific progress, or a dangerous game of playing with nature? Imagine a world where wealthy parents can design their children, choosing everything from intelligence to athletic ability. This isn't just theory. In 2018, a Chinese scientist used CRISPR to edit human embryos, sparking global outrage. The danger is creating a genetic elite, where only the rich can afford enhancements, widening social inequality in ways we've never seen before. What happens when some people have access to genetic advantages while others don't? Are we creating a society of genetic haves and have-nots? And then there's the issue of consent. Can an unborn child truly consent to having their genes altered? What happens if something goes wrong? Will parents be held responsible for unintended consequences? History warns us that every powerful technology has its dark side. Could genetic modifications lead to unforeseen consequences, new diseases, loss of genetic diversity, or even bioterrorism? Could governments or corporations use genetic data to control populations? CRISPR isn't just a tool for medicine, it could also be weaponized. Scientists worry about the possibility of engineered viruses or bacteria targeting specific populations. In a world where genetic modification is possible, biosecurity is now more important than ever. The future of biotechnology isn't just about science, it's about ethics. We stand at the edge of a new frontier, where the choices we make today will define humanity's tomorrow. Should we embrace genetic engineering without limits, or proceed with extreme caution? Should we regulate it tightly, or risk falling behind in a global biotech race? Biotechnology has the potential to heal and enhance, but it also carries risks that we are only beginning to understand. What do you think? Should we push forward or step back? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into science,